Deborah, it's Alexandria from Canada, and it's our Thanksgiving weekend coming up, and I'm going to be making some yams, and I thought I would help other people who also want to cook with yams but who have some physical issues. I'm really fussy about my yams and the ones that I pick. So for instance, I like something that is easy to hold in the hand. I like it sort of tubular shaped, I guess you could say. And it's a lot easier to cut if you need to cut it by hand with a very sharp knife. So this is the kind of yam I'm usually looking for, as well as this one. What I don't like are these mammoth yams. Sure, they look good, but they're very unwieldy, harder to cut. You need to exert more force. So if you are cooking with yams and you have an issue with your hands, then pick something that's easy to hold and easy to manipulate. All right, signing off. Hi, Deborah. It's Alexandria again. I forgot to mention a couple things about those sweet potatoes, not yams. I know the difference, but I always call them yams. Anyway, make sure that the surface of the sweet potatoes or yams is as smooth as possible. It will be much easier if you want to peel them. So depending on the type of peeler you use. So make sure they're as smooth as possible. That also helps. Okay, bye.